it to me, give it to me. I like the way you they treat me, baby. Put it on me, put it on me. Baby, put all your loving on me, yeah. If I not gonna die for nobody.
Area, so okay, so I'm using the Curls Blueberry. Oh, my thing needs to focus. Blueberry Control Jelly. I've never used it before. A lot of people who use this love it and they rave about it. And so I'm going to try it. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so looking at my current situation. Okay, so I got some spray bottle here. I'm going to spritz my hair. Get a little bit of moisture going. Moisture is good. Now, I could have done better by sleeping on my satin bottom there, but I was tired last night, so I didn't do any of that stuff. So my hair feels slightly dry from just laying down on the cotton. So people, wear your satin bonnet. But anywho, so I have this much of growth. I'm actually really surprised. And if you guys look at my other videos when I first cut my hair and I was just complaining about I didn't know how to, you know, work my hair, I'm so much better now. So yeah, so I am trying this Alake Naturals oil by, can't think of her name on YouTube, but I used to follow her a long time ago when I first went natural, and I was trying to figure out what to do. So it's a good thing that she has a product line out here. Don't things, girl. Anywho, so I'm putting this oil in my hair to seal in the moisture before I do this coils. Now, everybody who I watched on YouTube, it seemed like it took them forever to do this style. But I'm not gonna judge. I'm gonna do it first, and then I can say I hate it. I will never do it again. I've never done it. So let's try this Sunday morning. Okay. So I'm using about this much, just a dime size. And I'm taking a small section. I'm starting from the back, obviously. And let me see if I can turn around and show you all. I'm not sure if I'm in focus or not. Hopefully I am.
When you smile now, you set me on fire. Baby, take me higher. Rock me till you tire. This our love no get ending. This one sure no be pending. In fact, no pretending. My little fear when I bend it. Rock your body, give you body. You no go know when you call me honey. Spending money, make we jolly jolly. Me and you, baby, so it go be. I dig back to you, where you are. Say you know, say you know, say you know, say you know. I dig back to you, where you are. Say you know.
I think I'm taking medium to small sections. I'm not sure. I can't really see my back. I'm just winging it. This one looks a little loose. So let me retighten it. I think this is not a stylist section, so I'm gonna really try not to, you know, make it too perfect, because it's supposed to be a natural style with no sections. So yeah, I hope I'm doing it right. I'm all the way here in the top, and when I tell you guys that I am so tempted to stop, I am so tempted to stop. I'm kind of tired and I need a break. Yeah, they said it, and it's right. This is a lot of work. I'll do a few more and show you guys. Now that I'm in the top, I feel like maybe I can show a little bit more up close since I'm all the way here in the top. So now that I'm in the top, that my hair is a little bit longer too, I am holding the bottom so I can kind of twist it all the way. I noticed that some of my ends were not really coiling, and it's due to a couple of reasons. I have color at the ends. My ends are kind of a little bit straighter, or maybe a looser curl than the bottom part, so it's not necessarily twirling all the way. I figured that would happen. I also need my ends cut, so I have split ends, so I kind of feel like it's all contributing to the fact why my ends won't necessarily curl or twirl like the bottom part, where I have the color. Like when you see the base part here, it's so coiled even at the end. No color. It's still like, it's super virgin hair. It's still kind of fresher than the hair in the top. So, you know, those are the reasons why I think that the ends of the top is not curling as much. But, you know, overall, I think it's looking good. I think when it dries out, it will look good. They said it. My hands hurt. I'm kind of in the top, so I don't want to stop, but it's a lot of work. I don't know if I'll do this if my hair is longer. It's like torture. Who came up with this style anyways? It's a lot of work. I'm tired. I'm tired. When they say coils for the girls, it actually means pain for the girls. Now I've gotten to the front part, and I want to come back and show you guys that I'm holding the bottom, as I was telling you guys before, to do that part. Yeah, it's a lot of work, and I'm not sure. I told you some of my ends are not curling, and it's due to the fact that my hair is kind of loose. I have a looser texture in the front, and having color also at the ends don't help. So I know I'm going to have some ends that kind of look kind of like struggling, you know, struggling. I need a haircut. What can I say? But when I tell you that my hands hurt, I'm tired. I'm tired. It's pain for the girls. Pain for the girls. I just don't know who does this all the time. I'm sure some people do. I've seen some naturals that kind of wear their hair like that, and I'm not sure if they use the sponge, the real short. Like when I first cut my hair, the sides were really short, so I guess using a sponge will give me this coiled look, like really short coiled look if you use a sponge. But as your hair gets longer, I'm just not understanding why anybody would do this. I'm not even sure why I'm doing this. So yeah, but I'm showing you the front. It's looking kind of cute though. It's looking cute, a little cute, you know, like what I got going on over here. So let me finish. Okay. I got 2 more left. You know, you guys don't understand how excited that I am. I am like done with this. Done. Like, last one. So excited. I am over it. Okay, so this one is going that way. And I kind of have like, sort of like a part here. It's not like a real part, but it is a part. And this is my last coil for the girl. Probably the last one I'll ever do in life. It's tedious. It's too much work. Anybody got time for this? Ain't nobody got time for this. But y'all see it though? It's kind of cute. I'm gonna sit in the dryer and I'm gonna get ready for church. And then maybe, I don't know, people separated. I don't know if I'm gonna separate mine. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with mine. But you see it? Do I look like B2K? Yeah, it's done. It's done. I'm gonna let it dry. I don't know if I'm gonna separate it yet, but for now, I think I want to keep my part here. Okay, so I am done. My makeup is ready. I'm on my way to church. How do you guys like it? I like it. I decided that I wasn't going to what's the word? Separate it. It's still not dry because I ended up not sitting in the dryer. So this is my final twirl result. I am shooting with my cell phone, so I don't know, but I like it. It came out really, really, really nice. But I will never do this again. It took too long, labor intensive, hand intensive, and I don't know. So I'll take some pictures and let you guys see it. Thank you so much, YouTube. Bye. Like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Follow me. Yes.
Hey, yeah, I'm coming to cause trouble. You don't like me, unfollow. You can't talk about my hustle. You make money, I make double. Turn me up, turn me louder. Louder now. From the streets to the Zanga. Zanga, girl. Take a shot like a soldier. Soldier now. Buy me one, feel me share it.